Andres, what's up, man? You took a shower. He took a shower. I took a shower. Bed sheets are clean yesterday, and everything is so good. Right? What's up, man? Yeah, he likes me doing like this. It means it's so good. That's what it means. So yes, yesterday it's a 1 minute or less vlog, but of course I'm gonna go a little bit over from the 1 minute because of the outro intro. So yeah, that's okay. Anyways, guys, yeah, it's getting there. Probably end of next month I will be getting it. The backup. So I need it. I need the backup. So yeah. That's what I have to use. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Do you wanna go get something to eat? No? Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, have fun, stay safe, enjoy life, and have fun, because I have more. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out, here. Thank you. So guys, so I figured out the problem. My Seagate is full because of the vlogs. It's only